How body talks in dance? This question is very important for all of us as a dancers. We have to understand our bodies to know exactly how we use them through our dancing or through our movements. Sometimes people using some parts of their body and they lose the rest through their dancing. This is very strange for me when I see something like that. And sometimes I use the part of my body in a wrong way. I have to study the parts of my body right well, and I have to trust my body right well. Even I have to love my body. If I don't love my body or part of my body, I will lose the way of dancing or part of way of dancing. For this reason, I have to trust my body and I have to love my body. This is very important. Before I start to create my choreography, I have to know exactly what I will do or what I will present on the stage, which it means exactly if it is a story or just to show the beauty of my body. I will take the second part, which it means I show the beauty of my body. 99% of the dancers, when they're going to do something like this on the stage, using the sport steps, which it is the power of the body. But when I show the power or I put the power in a front, I have to show you the strength, the muscles, and so and so and so of my body like this way, which belongs men much more than women. But sometimes women do something like that, and I find that it looks like funny. Women means something wonderful, something very beautiful, and you have to show me the beauty of your body while you're dancing, not the power of your body. Of course, there are some societies women using their power much more than other societies, something like that. But the main point is you are a woman and you are the female, the flower. You have to show me the beauty of your body, not the power of your body or the muscles of your body. So this is the funny point I love to tell you about. On the other hand, of course, I can use the sport steps as many dancers doing, but I have to make it as a female step, not use it as male step. I have to create a story or I have to use a story. There are a lot of stories, of course, as you know, and in Egypt, or our dancing, I mean folk dancing, created onto several stories. And of course, you can choose any of these stories, then you can create your choreography or renew it once more again, then do it on the stage, present it on the stage. It is very easy like that. What I love is when you create something new. How you can do something like this way. First, you have to imagine the story, what you want to say through your body or using your body. Then you have to choose the music or creating the music. The music is very easy to find, but the problem is the part or the type of music which meet the story what you want to say. It is like this way, but it's very easy in the end if you expert enough in the music. So you have to find the story, you have to find the music, and the music fit this story, of course. Then you're going to create your dance or your choreography. But the most important point is you have to choose the correct dance steps or the correct steps. For this reason, all the time I say that my mind looks like shelves, and each shelf has its own dance steps. So if I am or I'm concentrating now on a special type of or a special style of dance, I have to close all the shelves and just only the shelf what I will use its own dance steps. I open it now and I put all the dance steps in front of me, and I choose the correct step which can explain much more about the story what I want to explain through my body to the audience, or the audience will not understand what I am doing. And of course I have to be careful when I'm going to choose the correct step, because sometimes The music can have lyrics, and I have to understand the lyrics right well to find the correct dance step which belongs to all of these lyrics too. So this is the most important point we have to keep in mind when we're going to create our choreography onto a story. And of course, the story must have introduction and then something in the middle, then the rest of the story. So I have to keep in mind all the time that it is not just jumping or running everywhere around and then I say that I'm dancing. Of course, you can show me the beauty of your body through your dancing, no problem. But not too much as you have to concentrate onto the story, which is very important if you want the audience to be with you from A to Z, from the beginning until the end of your dancing. These points, very quickly, I love very much to share with you and to explain together what's in your mind. Please write me what's in your mind when you're going to create your choreography. I would like very much also to hear your opinion about your choreography when you're going to create it and how you do it. Let us share our experience together, which is very important for all of us. Thank you very much and see you once more again in my next video.